here are app developers ready to showcase their awesomeness from the semester.
Make this short, like is that like similar to what you're doing?
Jasmine, I'm a junior at BC. I'm studying information systems. And so I created a calendar and a planning app where it has a basic features of a similar like Google Calendar or Apple Calendar where you can create events, you can create new ones. It also has here weather information, which I think would be nice for people to know when they're planning stuff. But the one additional feature is that this app is called Sabbath because I wanted to incorporate the element of an intentional day set aside each week for rest. And so the idea of during those days of Sabbath that you choose, you can't actually schedule calendar events, but instead it gives you prompts for setting your intentions or a goal for the day. So what activities or what things you like to do to prioritize your self-care. And then there's also journal reflections that are randomly generated, and you can rate whether you met your goals for that day. And then also there's affirmations that are also randomly generated. And so that's to hopefully help users be able to really prioritize that rest and rejuvenation in their everyday routine.
That's fantastic. So we have a scheduling app for type A's, but also to make sure that you've got wellness taken care of as well. Yeah. Very, very cool. Have you built apps before this class, Jasmine?
No, I have not. No.
Well, this is excellent work. We look forward to seeing this in the App Store. Congratulations.
No, I'm a senior here at BC. I'm studying computer science. And the app today is an app called Nova Wave Management. It's a simple management app that allows streamlines communication between installers of this company that I'm working with and managers. So this company called Nova Wave, it's a home automation company where they design and install home automation systems. So for example, if you walk into your house, good morning, you say good morning, lights turn on, blinds go up, the temperature goes down, whatever, any sort of customizations you want, this company can provide. So the app that I designed is a management app. So basically, it's I'm going to log in as an installer. So these are the people who are directly working with the customers, talking to them about what kind of systems they want in their house. So I logged in as myself. And then basically what this allows them to do is they can add all the customers they're working with. So for example, Emily Warren, you add here. And then you go in and you could put in basic information about the customer, so their name, their contact information, their address, their house type, and then you are able to add all the different rooms in which they want these systems to be installed in. So click on this, and let's say you want, let's say the bedroom. So you wake up in the morning and you want your lights turned on. So then I would say they want to work with Google products like Google Home, and they would say, good morning. Sorry. And then lights turned on. So basically, it has all the rooms in here. And so then the managers are able to look at this and actually order the products and design and program the systems for this customer. So yeah.
So you built this for an actual business in class.
Business called Nova Wave.
Had you built apps like this before class?
Nope.
So Gabby, this is just outstanding. Congratulations. You have an inside track with Nova Wave?
Yes.
So if anybody wants to get home automation stuff, they can go to Nova Wave.
Yes.
And this is a family biz, is that right?
Yeah, it's family business, and it's on Long Island and a little bit of Florida too. But check out the website novawavehome.com.
Well, good for Gabby's family. Their daughter is just an outstanding software engineer. It's been wonderful having you in class. Congratulations. It's great.
And I built an app called Rate Your Roast. So I'm a huge fan of coffee, and I always write it down on paper. I thought I'd kind of stick it in an app. make it easier.
can
So
search
you can rate your
different
roast,
companies for
change your rating.
You like that? Thank you.
A rate for aroma, flavor, give a short description.
Thank you.
You can add photos. So this is Stumptown Hairbender,
So it
which
opens-
I
yeah, it opens
love.
up the
They're
web.
based out in Washington.
Thank you.
And then you can have some recipes if you're stumped on what to brew
You
next.
get more information.
You get ingredients, a short description.
So if a company's using
And let's say the coffee is in here that you want to brew. So you can go here, change your state. Let's go walk over to Massachusetts. And
yeah, that's what we're doing here.
You can search it up. There's
might be
one
accounting. I took
close by
financial
Union
accounting
Coffee
last
Roaster, which I'm a huge fan of. Let's say it's their light roast.
Yeah, it's pretty much. Thank you.
And now it is available to rate here. So
This is looking fantastic. Did you build apps like this before this class?
I have not. No.
You have not, and now, so everybody that needs to get their caffeine on, they know Holt's app. Hopefully, we'll see that in the App Store. This is looking fantastic. Have you rated the coffee over there? So we have a student that has a Raspberry Pi coffee maker.
Oh, really?
Pico, yep. So you have to try that out. So well, congratulations.
So the user can log in. So once you log into the app, you can present articles and you can put in a keyword. So say I'm doing a research project on nukes, search that in, hit up an article. If I want to save the article, I can add it to my saved articles, and I can go back to home, look at my saved articles. I can click the one I was just looking at, open it up, and basically read the article and be able to use it for my research projects.
This looks like it's super handy for students. Yep. So have you coded apps like this before
No,
class?
I haven't coded an app like this before.
Oh, well, this is fantastic. You learn quick. Are you looking for a job?
Yes, I am looking for a job.
All right. What kind of jobs?
I'm looking for consulting jobs.
Consulting. So Dylan is your man for consulting. Learned super fast. Built a beautiful app. Congratulations,
I'm Michael
Dylan.
Brown, and this is my app Ballbuzz. If you start off on the home page, you can log in, log out.
This is just the ID.
Here, you can see all of the teams that there are.
So
You can choose a team, you can see all of their games that they played this year.
now I'm gonna go out and you would send
You can
that
also see the historic teams that have played in the past,
season,
just
right?
like logos.
So now if I sign out
On the players, you can see
and create
all
a
of the
new
players that there are.
account, right?
You can load them all in.
Great.
And so
What
within,
name want to use?
you can search for players,
Annie?
like Larry Bird.
Like that?
Go here, you can see that he hasn't played this year, but he did in 1979.
Annie at Gmail.
You see the conversation on him?
Account. And then we have a cool thing in
See
here where we just
player like LeBron James then. You can go to the stat finder here, but you can then filter their stats. So you can see just the games that he scored 27 points. And you can
so now we can
filter
sign
them,
up.
and it shows you these games. It shows you the red.
Okay.
You can see their stats.
Try Annie.
Whoa, this is pretty comprehensive. Have you built apps before this class?
I did not.
This is looking good. Congratulations. This is awesome stuff.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Oh, my name is Saeed. Sorry. So it's where you can like search through mangas and animes and then find like the ones you like and add it to your collection. And so here what I have is that like, this is just an example one. I have that the watched animes that I have is Naruto, One Piece, Berserk, and then mangas. And then what you can do is you can search through them. So if I write Berserk, it takes a little to load, but basically what'll pop up is like examples of it. So there you go, Berserk. And then it'll have all that information, like the scores, all that. It's from like it's from the MAL unofficial API. And then it has all that information. It gives you a trailer of it, so you can watch like a bit of it if you like it or not. And then you can rate it. And then once you rate it, I've already added Berserk, but so I can show an example of just adding it. Just finished, and then just say, let's say you watch this many episodes. So it'll save it, and then what you'll see is Berserk is here. And then, so it's just a way for you to monitor your apps and keep it there.
This looks fantastic. Had you built an iOS app before this class?
Never know.
Congratulations.
Hi, I'm Milan. I'm class of 2024. This is my app study session. So right now we're signed in and we can see the study sessions that you created as a user, and we can create another one. So this one we're going to study in Higgins. We're studying 2:30. We're studying finance. And we're going to do it at 3 o'clock. And our study session, we're going to study chapter 3. And we save that, and now we can go in and see all of our study sessions that we have created. And and you can even create new ones and edit the ones that we already have. And then other users can log in and be able to see your study sessions, and then they can choose to come to your study sessions if they're in your class as well. Because they know the location and time that you're studying and what you're studying.
All right, so this is a full stack app you've got. You built apps like this before this class?
I have not.
Congratulations, Milan. This looks like very useful for you and your peers. So we'll look forward to this in the App Store. Nice.
Hi, I'm Zach Peter. This is my app, Eagle Collective. It was designed to connect BC musicians with BC students. In my 4 years here, I met a lot of great musicians, but it was always through some chance happening. They lived on my floor. I think as a freshman, you should be able to download an app and click one button and know and have access to all the BC artists. And that's kind of the vision of my app. So here we can see new releases, upcoming concerts. We have Spotify playlists that you can go to if you would like. All BC artists, all BC featured musicians. Yeah, that's my app.
Oh, well, congratulations. That's so good. What do you play?
I play FL Studio. It's just digital music production.
Well, cool. Well, that's fantastic. Have you built apps like this before, class?
I have not.
You looking for work?
I am.
All right. Now you know where you can get Zach. You can get some nice tunes when you hire him as well, and some app building skill. So congratulations.
Hello, my name's Annie. This is my app host. It kind of came from the fact that whenever I have friends come in to visit, I never know where to show them around. So it's kind of a way for people to upvote things to do in different locations. So you can log in right here, and then it will populate with all of these locations that you can add right over here, city, state, and then from there you are able to add recommendations for what to do. You can upvote, so add votes here and then see who it's posted by if you want to get in contact with them.
Fantastic. What a great idea. Annie, had you built apps like this before this class?
No.
So you're full stack in one semester. That's how fast you learn. Are you looking for work?
I am.
Look, now everybody knows where they can get fast learning Annie, app building Annie. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Will Hayden. I'm a sophomore here at Boston College in Professor G's Swift class. I'm a computer science and information systems double major. For my app, I built plate math. I'm a power lifter, and depending on the kind of gym you're at, they often have different kind of plates, whether that's pounds or kilograms. And also depending on how you're trying to train, oftentimes your coach will prescribe you just an RPE and not a specific weight. So I decided to build an app that would allow me to easily calculate these values and easily convert between the pounds and kilos. So at first, we have a Firebase login. So Prof G, I'll make an account for you.
That's where so simple. We are trying to prevent that disorganization that just happens.
So we can log in. Oops, sorry, we have to sign up first, and then we can log in. From here, be prompted to enter some data. So we'll do John, and John lives on pounds. He's male. We'll do 100 or 150. 200. We'll just fill it out with 200 to make it even through. Submit, and then you have your weights here. So you have your squat, your bench, your deadlift, and your total, all easily accessible for you to look at. From here we have an RPE calculator, and this will allow you to generate a set. So if I want to do a set that's a 8 out of 10 difficulty and I want to do 3 reps, I'll be lifting 170 pounds. And I'll have this cool animation down here to visualize it so you can easily know what plates that you want to put on the barbell. And if I wanted to go switch to kilos, I would click kilograms and it would show me the proper layout here. And then I also have a barbell loader and pound kilo converter. So this is just the same thing, but it's not necessarily specific to RPE. You can kind of put in any value and see the representation. So if I wanted to lift 405 pounds, that's 445s on each side of the barbell. I can easily go to kilograms. I can do 200 kilograms, and I can see that in at the bottom here. It shows the conversion, so I know exactly how much weight I have. I can easily update any of these values at any given time. So if I wanted to go to max, now it's max. And you can easily have this, it's all custom. It uses some formulas and some tables that I got from online to calculate the RPE based off of your body weight and your maxes, and visualize the barbell based on the weight that's returned from that. calculation.
Well, it looks like a really great way to take something that you're passionate about and built an app. Have you built apps before this class?
No, this is my first full stack app.
This is outstanding. You got a job lined up?
No, I don't.
So look, Will learned all this stuff in a single semester. Now you know where you can find his talent as well. And all the lifters out there looking forward to seeing this in the App Store. So congratulations.
Hey, I'm Liam. I'm a senior computer science student at Boston College. And being a college student, one thing I noticed is that there's so many activities to do at all times and everyone's kind of doing their own thing. So I thought it'd be cool to make an app where everyone can organize that into one place. So here's my app. It's called What's the Move? You can log in, see potential moves. You can add your own, add photos. So let's say a tech fair maybe. You can save it, it'll show up, and then you can also view existing moves, see comments, and then there's also a guest list, so you can say, are you going? If you hit that thumbs up, then your name appears on the guest list, and then you can now see who's going to what. Yeah,
Whoa, looking good. So everybody's always wondering, hey, what's going on? And now you're going to solve that age-old problem. So had you built apps like this before class?
I haven't, no.
Look at this. And so you're full stack in one semester, you're a computer science major, you looking for work?
I am, yes.
Look at this. So, you know, Liam's a fast learner. He's solving problems. Now you know where to access his talent. Come and get it. Congratulations.
Hi, I'm George Siggety. This is my app called Tap Please. It is a meal plan delivery and sharing app that allows people with a lot of dining hall dollars to submit meal requests, which basically are requests to have a meal from the dining hall delivered to them at any location on campus. From someone with almost no dining hall dollars left. They submit that request. The person who is going to deliver to them will pick up the meal from a dining hall with their meal plan, with the meal plan card from the person with a lot of money, buy themselves a meal on that card, buy the other person a meal on that card, and deliver it to them.
Oh.
So basically, when someone with very little money accepts someone's request, it creates a messenger between the two people. So if I press like accept here, that would create a messenger in the messenger list view. But I already have one set up between this phone's account and this account right here. So if I like said, what's up? That would send a message to this guy. Same thing on the way back. We got little timestamps in there and the messaging. Yeah, so that's the basic feature. And when the process is over, you say food delivered, and that deletes the messenger.
So we'll fetch and deliver food for food.
Yeah.
So that's looking good. What a novel idea for BC. Oh, there's more.
There's more. We also have basically the whole Snacktacular UI app built into this one. You can press here, look at today's menu, select whatever. It's basically just a pull from the website. It's the BC website. And then you can submit reviews. It implants Photos UI, so you can upload photos to individual reviews on different meal plan items of your choice. Now, my reasoning behind this is each account is associated with a level. See, this one's level 5 and this one's level 4. As you submit more reviews, your level goes up. And I'm hoping to work with the dining hall next year when I plan to release this app and have it so there can be some kind of reward system with students with the dining hall. So as they submit more feedback to the dining hall, they can get more from the dining hall. Like the dining hall will maybe give them an extra meal here and there, but I'd have to talk to DC about it.
Well, this is looking good. So I'm impressed. Full stack app. You got chatting back and forth. You built apps like this before class?
No, this is my first one.
This is congratulations, George. What are you doing this summer?
This summer I have an internship, but I'm definitely looking for jobs now.
All right, look where you can get George's talent. We just found out that George won one of the awards for today as well. So keep an eye on him. Keep an eye out for this app. It's been great having you in class. Congratulations.
Thanks, Owen. I'm a sophomore. So my app, it connects Harry Potter fans. So what you can do is you can go to the characters page and you can check out all the different characters and see information about them, picture, and then you can actually go and see what house you're in. So you could put your picture in, and then it'll tell you your house. And then the other feature is you can go hoot, so you can send a hoot and like connect with other people and see what people are saying in the Harry Potter world.
Well, awesome. Did you build apps like this before class, Owen?
Never.
No? Well, congratulations. Are you looking for work?
I am.
All right, so now you know where you can get some pottery goodness from Owen. Learned all this in a single semester, learned super fast. Congratulations.
Hi, my name is Connor Joel, and I'm a sophomore here at CSOM. My app allows basically friends and anyone else to share trading ideas through sharing watch lists and making their own watch lists. So we can see here, you can go to create a new watch list, which pulls data from an API on registered securities that you can add to your list. And then once you've added a list to your watch list, you can decide to make it public or private. And if you decide to make a watch list public, it's available to all other users. So we can see one that someone else made who's also in the app. And then once other people have made watch lists, you can simply click to add their list to your saved watch lists. And then now you can basically view and track the same trades as they're tracking.
Nice. This is looking awesome. Had you built apps like this before this class?
No, I have not.
You learned all this in one semester. You looking for work?
Yes.
What area?
Finance.
So you finance, but you got app building skills. So this is looking good. Now you know where to get Connor and get in on that skill. So congratulations.
Hi, I'm Ria. So the app that I made, I'm going to be in New York this summer for the first time. So I made an app that I can kind of schedule out my summer and plan, and everyone can like plan their summer based on their to-dos. So you can log in, and then it kind of separates all of your to-dos by whatever month you choose. So let's say I want to go to Central Park in August, and it's a to-do, so then I can save it, and it adds it to your August list. So I kind of made different lists based on what you want to do, and it separates it by whatever type you do.
Very cool. Have you built apps like this before this class?
No.
You're full stack in one semester?
Yes.
That is very impressive. Well, congratulations, Ria, and excellent work.
Hi, I'm Avery Merlo, and this is my app, My Stadium. I'm in the class of 2023 at Boston College. You can log in right here. Oh, it says I got a wrong password. But here we go. I think I messed that one up again. And then once you log in, you're going to have all 30 MLB stadiums here, ready for you to explore and review. We can go to one that we all know that's very close by, Fenway Park. It's going to tell you how many people Fenway Park holds, when Fenway Park was built, where Fenway Park is, which team plays at Fenway Park. It's going to have the team's respective logo right here. And then it's going to have this information that I'm kind of a baseball nerd, so I like to put in a lot of information about baseball. The address of Fenway Park, the dimensions in left, center, and right field, and the longest home run, which was Ted Williams back in 1946. Also, you're allowed to review each app. You can click on the stars to change the star rating, click in the title to write a title, hi, Avery, and then you can click this to save. Once you save, the average rating will automatically be updated, and if you want to see your review, you can go back into the review section, see your review. If it was posted by you, you can manipulate it, you can edit it, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete that one. And then, yes, that's pretty much it. You can sign out. My personal favorite stadium, one I think that you all should visit at some point in your life, is Camden Yards. About 20 minutes from where I was born. It's a great stadium. I'd say it's probably the number one, my favorite in MLB at least, but I'm still on my journey to explore all 30 stadiums.
How many did you see so far?
Only two.
Only two. All right, we'll get more.
Later on in my application, in my interview that I had yesterday, I was talking about a way to implement an algorithm where you could put in a start point and an end point, and it could give you the fastest road trip to all 30 stadiums.
Oh, that'd be fun.
So, in the future, you might want to look out for that.
All right, we'll look forward to all that stuff. You built these apps before class?
No, I've not built these apps before.
And you're a double threat. You're also physical computing too, so congratulations. Nice work.
Hi, I'm Thomas Stack. I'm a senior. I'm a chemistry major, biology minor, and I love the program. And right here, we're in SwiftUI, learning to program apps, and I got the mixology app. So it's my launch screen, getting ready to mix. It's stored in Firebase, so you can create an account. Luckily, I'm already have made an account, so you could just log out, log back in, whatnot. There's different views. You can find a cocktail that I have extracted data from through an API. You can also mix your own drink, where you're just going to be able to build your own drink and create as many add instructions, as many ingredients as you want, add an image. Then you can also store your favorite drinks, and you'll be able to do that by going through the cocktail list, say clicking A1, favoriting it, and then that will populate the favorites list. You can visit that any night you're feeling in the mood, you're feeling out of the mood. I don't know, up to you. But yeah, you got the ingredients, the instructions there, scroll view, go back, do it all over again.
All right, so we're getting ready to get your drink on. Thomas got you taken care of. You looking for work, Thomas?
Yeah.
So anybody's looking for a bio major that's got mad tech skills, now you know where to find them. Congratulations.
Hi, I'm Haley. I created a cocktail app so you can search and make your own cocktail recipes. So this is the store. It uses Firebase to log in. So I'll make a random login. So sign up. Oh, email's already used, so now I'll make a different one. Alright, so then it gives you a little alert and it's like, oh, you have to be 21 to do it. So just for the video, I'll show you, like, I'm 6 years old, and then it's like, wah, wah, like, you have to sign out. So then sign out, and then I'll do, like, another one. Sign up. Okay, so then here will be like a bunch of your personal recipes you can add and create new ones here. And then you can add a photo from your photo library. And then you can also look up popular cocktails by searching like the letter. So if I do A, this will give you a list of a bunch of cocktails that start with an A. And then you can click on it like the AT&T, and it gives you like ingredients, glass type, photo. And you can click back between personal and popular. And yeah, that's it.
Cool. All right, have you built apps like this before, class?
No.
Congratulations, Haley. You got a job lined up?
No.
Oh, so now everybody knows where they can hire some of Haley's goodness. Learns all this in a semester. Fast learner. Congratulations.
Hey, I'm John Gallaugher. I'm a computer science major and a senior at Boston College. This is my app, Shuffle 2. To demonstrate, I'll just make a new account. We can call it Showcase Test at bc.edu. Just password, register, and we have two options. We can contribute or experience. First, we might as well contribute. And basically here you have a list of different categories that you can add to. I already populated some of the database in Firebase, but we could add a new one. We could add, just for an example, I've got one of our Swift videos here. We can put that in for the URL, say Swift Learning, whatever you want to title it. We upload it. That will appear in Smart Videos. And then just for an example, since once we get to the experience, you'll basically have a randomizer, we could delete these other ones. Then go to the experience tab. You pick a mood, you click smart, and it will pick a random video, and it will embed that video. And there's the SwiftUI video that I just added. But for other moods, since there were multiple, it will randomize between the selection that it has.
So you have a full stack app with video and backend and Firestore. You built stuff like this before, class?
I've not.
This is the first time. This is how fast you learn. Boston College computer science major. You're looking for work, John?
I am looking for work.
So look at how fast John learns. That's how you can get some of his talent and his goodness. Employers, buckle up. Now you know where to get him. Nice work.
How you doing? My name is Tyler Martin. I'm a current junior in CSOM studying finance and data analytics. And my app is called My Movie Companion. So essentially what it does is it interfaces with the OMDB API database and allows users to essentially keep track of their favorite movies and learn more about them. So how it works is, right now I have an API key hard code in here just for user ease right now, but if you don't have an API key, you'll click this link and go here and it brings you to the page where you're going to sign up for a free API key. Then you'll go back and enter this into this text box. And once you do that, you can search for any movie you want. So if you search for, let's say, Cars 3, and find my movie, it enters it into the bottom here, and you see it pop up. You can click and it goes over to a detail view where it shows everything from its rating to its actors, directors, to its scores, and how much money it generated in box office sales. And then once you have this list saves locally, so if you shut the app off, it'll save next time you open it, so you can keep a running list of your favorite movies. And then you can click this button here, which goes to a movie quiz. And what you do is you want to put your name in to keep track of who's taking the quiz. So essentially you could hand this device off to someone else and have them do it. And you go through and you guess. Let's say I guess 2009, PG-13, etc., all the way down to the bottom, and you click check your answers. Any correct answers will show up in green text. Any incorrect answers will be in red text, and it keeps track of your score out of 10. And then you can click new movie, and it goes to a new random movie in your saved movies array. And then you can go over to the scoreboard, and it shows the person who took their name, their score out of 10, and what movie they did. And then you can also have functionality to delete. And this also saves locally. You can delete this individually or delete all at once. And this sort of allows people to not only learn about movies, but also to test their knowledge of movies once they've studied the information enough.
This is outstanding. Have you built projects like this beforehand?
No, never.
First app in one semester, you acquired all these skills. So nice work. We can all look forward to this, hopefully in the App Store, and get all kinds of info on, get all kinds of info on the movies we want to watch, and take some quizzes. So nice work, Tyler. Congratulations.
Hey guys, I'm Kevin Tadelli. I'm a junior studying computer science in Prof. G Swift class, and I built BC subleasing. So on Boston College, there is an issue with subleasing and accessing information for students. It's either a GroupMe post or it's either a Facebook post, so I wanted to centralize the location for it. So we have our user-specific login through Firebase. We go in, and we see a list of all posts that all users have made. We have an address, asking price, how many rooms are available. So if we go into the navigation stack, we see this, our poster is Father Leahy in this one. So we can see the image he chose to present. We see all the amenities, all the parking available, how many rooms again, and we also see what, in respect to Boston College, where the location is. We also have an email button at the bottom. And then, so this is all the posts that have been created. So we have a button to view our own posts as well. So say I want to change an image for one of my posts, or edit it or delete it, all of the above. We can go into here, we have access to our iCloud photos to put in. And then on our main form, if we want to make a new post, we can go into here, fill out all the information that I presented, and that's basically it.
This is looking really sharp. Very, very impressive. Have you built apps like this before, class?
I have not.
Oh,
Thank you.
And you are also a veteran of the physical computing class too, so you have all the skills. Do you have a job lined up?
Not yet.
Oh, so what do you want to do?
Back end, front end, all the above.
All right, so you know where you can get Kevin talent. Look at how much he learns in a single semester. He's also got hardware talent too, so you know where to look him up. Congratulations.
Hi, so my name's Dylan. I'm a freshman studying computer science. This is my app. It's called EagleWise. I just make a basic login. And I have it so that you need that app right there, additional security measures. And once you sign up, it goes to this personalize your experience screen. So we could just use you, for example, professor. So I just have professor. And were you a CS major or any of the CSUM concentrations?
I was a computer science major.
So you were a computer science major?
I was in arts and sciences, but that's all right.
So do you want any of the, what do you want to act like today as a college student?
So yeah, you can make me a freshman. So
yeah, so let's say you're Professor Gallaugher, John Gallaugher, computer science major. You're a freshman. Let's save that information and log you in. And this is an AI. I use an OpenAI API, so similar to ChatGPT, right? So if I say, hey, how can you help me? It basically has your name. It kind of imitates as an academic advisor. So what CS courses are offered? It basically does that for you. So it's a pretty cool app. If you want to mess around with it, if you want to add any prompts, feel free. So yeah, that's basically
and
the
this
app.
gives you advice specifically for Boston College.
Only Boston College. Yeah.
Through OpenAI, so through ChatGPT.
Yeah.
So had you coded apps like this before this class?
Not with Swift. No, this is my first time.
This is outstanding, and you're a freshman too. So you looking for work?
Yes, I am.
So look where you can find. Dylan did all this as a freshman. He's going to be around too. So now you know where to find this hacker talent. Congratulations.
Hi, my name is Gladson D'Souza. I made this app that allows construction companies to track their expenses throughout their projects. So we have here for the first page, we have tab views. The first tab, you can see different properties that you can add. I'll click on one here to show as an example. We have, you can add the receipts of the purchases you make during the project. And through the receipts, you can guarantee that you won't lose the receipt and keep track of the purchases. So, and we have the total down here. The next tab is a search tab. It allows you to search different prices. So if you click on the link, you can go to the web page of that website, for example, the Home Depot website, and you can compare different rates, different prices. And so the next tab is the specific company's website and their page here. We have you can navigate to the page of that construction company. And lastly, we have a balance sheet here, which allows you to keep track of the cash inflows, outflows, and how that relates to your budget, and calculate the value at the end.
This is looking fantastic. What inspired this?
What inspired this is my family has a construction company, and I've always run into issues with when I help out with the bookkeeping. There's always issues with how much was spent, how much of the budget is being spent on the materials. Sometimes the customer provides the materials, other times the company provides the materials. So this provides a good way to not only track the expenses, but also to make sure that everyone knows what the expenses were for the project, and keep it under control.
So hopefully we'll see Glayton this app in the App Store. You'll be able to help the family out in your own entrepreneurship endeavors. So are you looking for work too?
I am, yes.
Oh, outstanding. So everybody needs to know where they can get Glayton's talent and skill. And have you built apps before this class?
I had not, no.
Look, a fast learner. So now you know where you can get a fast learner in Glayton. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Ted Wind. I'm a sophomore here in Professor Gallaugher's Swift class, and I've built Socion, the business management platform for influencer agencies. So I know that's a little complex, so I'd love to walk you through it. Currently, influencer marketing has exploded in the past few years. Millions of companies are utilizing influencers. However, being an influencer, pretty hard. So influencers enlist the help of influencer agencies to help them manage their business. The problem is these influencer agencies are stuck in the Stone Age. They're using tools like Google Docs, Excel, Notion to manage their business. And this disorganization and lack of unity causes them to lose track of their ongoing contracts, influencers, and just everything that's going on with their business. And when the agencies give their influencers a bad experience, the influencers leave. So Socion's going to solve that. What's really cool here is we created a demo agency account so you can sign in. I'm going to sign in quick. This is using Firebase. So we're going to sign into this agency.
It literally doesn't have it.
Log in here. And we'll create this agency. Socion. Now we're going to go out one more time.
I think it should be
sign back in. Oh, it does this sometimes. Sorry.
How well do you know that?
Here we go. We're going to sign in one more time. And here we go. So now we're logged into our demo agency, and we can see all of our campaigns that are currently ongoing, our current influencers that are working on them, and the progress, so how close you are to the deadline. As you can see here, George Siggety, he's working on a contract for Bob's Burgers, and unfortunately he hasn't got his contract on time, so we gotta make sure we tell him what's going on. What's super cool here, though, is, as an agency, I need to add my influencers to the app to tell them what's going on. So we head to our agency dashboard down here, we click on Manage Influencers. We can go up here and click Invite Influencer. And this is a modular sheet that is using Pasteboard UI, which is part of Swift Apple Xcode. And you can copy this join link here, which is really just the ID of the agency in our collection in Firebase. We copy that, we go out, and now we're going to simulate signing in as an influencer. So we're going to create a quick little account for Professor G. Sign in here. We'll do profg@gmail.com. Create a quick little password. And we have a little password checker here that sees if the passwords are identical. If not, it won't let you sign in. I can sign up. Sign in here, and what's super cool, right, is now we just created a brand new, Professor G, you're an influencer now. Congratulations. So we can sign in here. And to join your agency, you tap here to enter your agency join code. You can click that code or paste that code in right here. Paste, submit, and boom, you've just joined the agency. Now, when you create contracts, up here, we can create a contract, say we're doing something for BC, quick video, status is in progress. We'll set a due date for that. We'll say it's due tomorrow. Click out of that, click done, and boom, you just create a contract here. And if you were to go back into that agency view, you'd be able to see that contract updated live in real time. So thanks to Socion, influencer agencies will never lose track of their contracts again. And if any of you are free, tomorrow night, Monday, 7 to 9, we'll be pitching in the Stray Kosh Finals for a chance to win $10,000. If you can make it, any support would be super appreciated. Thank you.
All right, Ted. Well, this is looking fantastic. Great. You built apps before this class?
Nope.
Nope. And now you're in the finals at one semester.
Fingers crossed.
Way
yeah.
to go. Good luck, Ted. And influencers, look for Ted's business, Ted's app, agencies. He's got you covered. Nice work.
Hi, my name is Charlie Conroy, and this is my app Notify. It's an app for essentially leaving your own notes on albums, and uses Firebase to log in and pull up all of your current app reviews, all of your current album reviews, and go through and see your thoughts and change them if you feel so inclined, and go through and find new albums, and say for like this one, set your notes, save it, and then go back and figure out if you have all of them together.
Well, this is looking cool. Had you built apps before this class?
Yes.
You have? Okay. So it's a bit of a ringer for us in here. So there's a pitchfork. Look out. Charlie's got stuff going here, and looking good.
I'm Jack Wheeler. I'm a senior at BC, and this is my app Walk-Up Manager. This is for baseball teams to organize, set their walk-up music, and then an announcer could use the app to play the music at a game. So you log in, you can make a team if you want, check the top walk-up songs for users of the app, go to a team here, we got our players, look at his stuff, pictures, info, and then when they're playing a game, you click on play ball, and then play his music. Play his music, you got information there for the announcer. And
all right, sounded fun. Have you built apps like this before class?
No.
And you're a finance major. So we got a finance major who's got devastating technical skills. You're looking for work.
I am.
All right, so now we know. You need to hire a skilled finance student with tech skills. Jack is your man. Congratulations, Jack.
I'm a junior. I'm studying finance, and I made this project. It's called QProp. So this is my login screen. So you can sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. I'm going to sign up because I don't have one. All right, so this is the main page of my app. So basically my app is a app for betting basketball, and it takes an API call of all the sports books on the market, and it'll show you each and every individual book's line on the game. So if I select the game here, for example, I'm gonna take the Celtics versus Sixers. I'm gonna tap lines, and then below I get a list of all the books and what they have each team at. And then now I can select a button. What this button's gonna allow me to do is take the best odds for the favorite and the best odds for the underdog, so I know which game I can select and bet on based off who will make me the most money. And now I'll get my output, so I can see that if I want the best value, I can go to DraftKings and take the Sixers money line, or I can go to the Fox Bet and take the Celtics favorite. And now once I'm done, I can celebrate because I'm gonna make some money.
Well, hopefully, did you know the founder of DraftKings is a Boston College graduate, one of the founders? Did you know that?
Yeah.
Oh, so all right. So maybe when you want to buy a cool app, DraftKings, you want to look up Matt Grella. That's how you find him. So you build apps like this before class?
No.
Outstanding. Well, congratulations.
Hi, I'm Macwell, and I coded a BC Senior 5 app. It's a long-standing tradition at BC at the start of the senior year for people to submit 5 names that they wish 5 names of people they wish they met at BC and became friends with, and this is submitted at the start of senior year to open new doors. So I decided to digitize it into an app. Here's my login screen. It's validated through BC emails only, so I'll do a test email. Test email. It has to be a BC email. I'll type in a password. It didn't let me sign up there because it needs an app.bc.edu. And once it detects that it's a BC email, we get the option to sign up or log in. If the account hasn't been created yet, it won't let you log in. Once you sign up, you're getting access to the anonymous list of the 5 names submitted by each user. And at the top here, there'll be a plus button for you to submit your own list. So we'll put in some test points here because in order to submit, you'll need to put names in each category box. We'll just have this as a placeholder here. And you do not need to submit your first and last name. That's optional as a submission. But once it submits, it sends it to our backend database. You're able to edit your submission here at the bottom if it's not approved yet or validated, and that allows you to edit it. And once in our backend, we find the submission here. This is the one that just got uploaded. If I approve it in the backend, the list gets uploaded to the public main board. And you're no longer able to edit the submissions or submit a new one.
All right. Can you meet these people then? Is that the idea? Is you can check it out and follow up?
So
or?
I'm planning on adding in an algorithm where it matches people if you're on their list and they're on your list. I haven't gotten there quite yet, but hopefully that'll come soon.
All right. Well, looking good. Well, congratulations. And you got a job lined up?
Not yet.
So Matt was in physical computing last semester. Now he's in this job. So he's a hardware threat, a software threat, a data analytics threat. And now you know where you can hire some of that MacWo talent. And a DJ too, right?
Obviously.
So outstanding. So.
Hello, my name is Caitlin Price, and this is my app, Songwrite. So here, with our login screen, I'm going to log in to my Firebase connected account. These are all the songs I've written so far. So we'll write a new song together. New song. The idea is, when I'm sitting at my piano or with my guitar, I'm so indecisive about which notes, which melody I want to go with. So it's going to give me a one-time 5-note melody that I must go with. Hear it right now.
Get like the ADs, you can get directions like ADs and this in the map.
All right, and those are all the corresponding actual notes for that. And then, using an API call, we're going to generate a random quote. One secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for his opportunity when it comes. A little inspiration for the song. Let's call it Secret of Success. Opportunity, la 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 la. And that's it. And then if I ever want to go back, open it up. Everything's saved here.
So this is inspiration for your own artistic endeavors or anybody. So it's almost like a muse that you have in your pocket. Is that right?
Yeah. I'm definitely going to use it. I do Songwrite.
This is fantastic. Had you built apps before this class?
Never, no.
Well, congratulations, Caitlin. This is looking really clever. So we'll look forward to seeing this in the App Store. Wonderful. All the best.
Thank you so much.
So I'm Mike. This is my app, BC Safe. It's kind of like a campus safety app, so people can make alert posts. So you can put the title, whatever, and then report your location if you want. And then the post will look like this. This is like example on Lake Street, the current location of the simulator. Don't come here. It will show like an API call of the Google Street View to show where it is, shows the alert where it is on the map. And then all the alerts will show on a bigger map here. And you can click on the alert. It will show you what it's all about. You can toggle alerts on and off or toggle AED locations. You click on AED, it'll tell you where it is, and it will give you walking directions to it if you want. And then if we go to the app here, if you're on a phone, it will tell you your location, and then you can press the emergency button if you want to contact emergency services. And then there's other BC numbers there. And the app is also restricted to only BC students. You have to log in with your school email.
This is looking good. Have you built apps like this before, class?
I've never built apps with Swift before. Only Python.
This is outstanding. So you're keeping everybody safe, and you should put in a warning in here because we've got face-melting, devastating apps here at the showcase right now. So, Mike, you got a job lined up?
I do not, no.
Oh, what are you looking for? Software engineering jobs, or?
Software engineering, business analytics, really anything technical.
All right, so now you know where you can contact Mike to get some talent. So, congratulations.
Okay, so I pretty much built a...
Who are you?
I'm Luke. I pretty much built a alarm clock app that where users need to answer trivia questions correctly to turn off the noise. And so we'll see. It'll go off here in a second. Turn off. And you gotta answer correctly. So you get one wrong, or that was actually right. If you went wrong, the score goes down. And if you get 3, then you get an alert and it turns off the sound.
So, all right. So, in case you were just sleeping, if you don't want to sleep through any of your campus events now, you got to show you're really woken up to turn off the alarm. So that's looking good. Luke, have you built apps before this class?
I'm not.
You looking for work?
I am.
Oh, well, look at this. Luke, what kind of work you want?
Whatever, anything finance or software development, I guess.
Finance and software, both. There should be lots of job for that. Now you know where you can not only make sure you're woken up in the morning, but also where you can hire some talent.
So my project's called Weekend. It uses API calls to get nearby events in your city. Say you're visiting a new city, you want to find something fun to do. Let's say you're visiting Boston. Click on sporting events. You see that it's organized by date, and this has the Eastern Conference Finals between the Boston Celtics and the 76ers. Gives a description if the API returns it. Gives the categories of what the event is, the address, and the date that it's going to occur at. And there's a bunch of other categories. You can see performing arts shows, say the ramifications of sound, gives a description. It just gives you fun things to do in your city.
This is looking good. So Dylan's gonna make sure that you're never bored at all.
Yeah,
so
never.
common problem. And you're not a computer science guy, right? You're a finance guy.
No, I'm not a finance guy. First time building apps.
First time building apps. You looking for work?
Yes, I am.
So anybody wants finance work, now we can know where we can contact Dylan. So congratulations, nice.
Hey everyone, I'm Matt Kramer. My app is called Home Organizer. The whole thought behind it was I'm a guy who buys a lot of stuff for my college roommates. Never get paid for it. I kind of wanted to make a little tracking system to help me out with that. So my app relies heavily on Firebase and the MVVM model to set me up. So basically what you do, you log in, any Gmail account will work. And so there's a list of available houses. This is available to anyone. You can make your own if you have your own roommates you want to set up a password, set up a bunch of stuff. If I go into my house, Club Kirk, we'll go into here, type in the very secure password of 1234556, and we'll enter. So here I have some examples of things people bought. My friend Kyle, he bought some paper towels for the house. We have a little category like that. And the biggest feature of my app, I'd say, is your own available profile. It has your accounting debits and credits, where it's money you need some, and then money you should be getting in, or who you should be paying, with your balance at the bottom. So you can always, anytime you create a new post, call it paper plates, $10. You can just call it MISC. Fun stuff. Anytime you do that, it auto goes into your debits and credits right away, and it's a good tracker.
All right, so Matt, is the common collegiate problem of defeating the deadbeats. You've got us covered for this, right? So this is outstanding. You built apps before this class?
I did not.
So this is looking good. Well, congratulations, Matt. Nice work.
Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm currently a junior studying computer science at Boston College. And my app is called Voto. Essentially what it is an app that allows people to post daily pictures based on daily feeds that are generated. So here I can log in right here. The login authentication system using Firebase, and here you can see the time remaining for the day, and there's a random adjective generated each day that resets each day, and I can upload any photos that I want to do, Let's say I just ran a class picture. I can name it, let's say, good slides. I can upload it, and it'll show up here. And here I can sort it by recently posted, and you can see it's just recently posted. Or I can sort it by number of upvotes. And here within each picture, you can upvote it whether you want it to or not, thinking it matches with a theme. And you can see who posted it. Or you can also go to your profile view down here and you can do your own uploads. For example, earlier I posted a canned water photo, and you see it has one upvote only. And you can go back to home, and yeah, that's about it.
This is fantastic. So you built a whole full-blown social app with image uploading and voting and too. So you built a lot of apps before this class?
No, never a full stack app.
Never a full stack app? Well, congratulations, Ben. This is wonderful. Good work.
Hi, I'm Andrew. I am a current sophomore at Boston College studying computer science, and my app is called Roomies. It is Room Essentials, and it is designed as a college marketplace where students can post listings or requests for items that they may want to sell or that they may need. So here we have a list of all the posts, and you can add your own post, and there's the item name, the price, the description, and the location, and you can choose whether or not you want it to be a listing or a request. And users can also add comments to the posts to either ask for more information about the posting or to inquire about it. And there's also a profile tab where you can see all your own listings and sign out.
That's nice. So you got the, I know we didn't do tab work down below too, so you learn a little stuff on your own, which is outstanding. Did you build a lot of apps before this class?
No, never.
Never, but you built this. Do you have a job lined up for the summer?
I do not.
Oh, everybody knows. So now that Andrew Yang is not running for mayor anymore, you can hire him to do Swift work. So congratulations.
What's up? My name is Andy. I'm a current junior at Boston College, and this is my app. It's called Movie Lookup. So here you can see that there's a trending slide where you can see the trending movies at the time and their average rating. And this is based on user data from an API call. And down here you can see random movie recommendations. And then whenever you see a movie that you would like to save or to watch later, you can click the like button here, and then it shows up on your saved page. And you can also click on the movie, and then you'll see like the cast, you'll see like the description and everything, and the average rating.
That's fantastic. Had you built apps before this class?
Nope, never.
Well, congrats. And Andy is currently looking for work. Is that correct?
Yes,
Summer
sir.
internship. Now you know where to contact Andy to get somebody that's learned all this in a semester, learned super fast. Congratulations.
Hi, I'm Chris Kennedy. This is my app, Sports Finder. So here we log in. We have a list of sports that you can choose from. So I'll go to baseball. So this is a post that someone else posted. There's BC club team tryouts. So it tells me where it is, the event date, the difficulty level, gender, equipment provided, cost, age range. It has all the links to it. It has the body. You can click on the photo and see it. Sometimes it doesn't load. And then if I click like the map, it brings me to the maps so I can see where I'm going. And then also I can post my own post. So I click there. I have all this stuff. I can search up addresses. So I can do Boston College, and it'll come up. And so you can just post whatever you want. If you're trying to get a intramural team together, your sports team, anything, you can post there. People can see it and join sports teams.
This is great. It's a great way to make friends too.
Yeah.
Outstanding. Well, good job, Chris. You built apps before this class?
Never.
Oh, wonderful work. Congratulations.